Hello and welcome to this 4 बजे का लाइव. थोड़े दिन बाद लाइव है. Of course, I have been all around, all over, working hard to bring you the best of me. Always. Anyways, so that's that, and we are in the studio doing a great live today, showcasing some Munga silk looks to you. What I'm wearing is the natural Munga silk fabric. You can see the movement right there. Just look at that. You know, that's what I love about Munga silk, on how it moves. Whether it's a dupatta or whether it's a kurta, now you can see the whole flow. And you know what I've been talking about the last few days is also what I'm going to say now, that you know what we've been saying, that fabrics need to kind of work well together. उनकी जो fluidity है, जो movement है, they should be similar. That is one of your biggest way to kind of make out कि ये fabric एक दूसरे के साथ जाते हैं. उसके अलावा of course you can do many other ways. 1 second, it's okay. Yeah, you can do many other ways of keeping it simple to find your best combinations, जो मैं इनको फैक्ट आपको स्टोरीज में पोस्ट में बताते रहूंगी. दिस मंथ आई एम गोइंग टू टॉक, मतलब जुलाई के मंथ में आई एम गोइंग टू टॉक अ लॉट अबाउट you know fabrics that go well together. Hope you had seen the story. If not, is it safe? You can see it. Katan will go well with katan and georgette and maybe organza. A fabric like मूंगा सिल्क, अब ये किसके साथ अच्छा लगता है? ये अच्छा लगता है of course मूंगा सिल्क दुपट्टा के लिए. And you can see, look at that, look at the flow, they complement each other because same fabric है. So you can always wear मूंगा silk suit with a मूंगा silk dupatta. Then what else can you wear? That is what we're going to talk about. You can wear it with tussar silk. It's going to be good with tussar silk. You can also do it with georgette. That's also a good, great combination to wear together. So, ऐसी कुछ चीजें which we're going to talk about all month in small videos and explain more and more this concept to you. You know, somebody was saying that's so nice of you to let us know. Of course, why would I not want to share the information that I have worked on all of these years and make it, process it एक simple way में, जिससे आपको समझ आए कि क्या चीजें आपको करनी चाहिए when you are dressing up and picking your looks. Now look at that. Wonderful colors. Achha, coming back to the topic of the live, of the product, this is 14,800 with tassels. Look at the beauty of this wonderful piece, and look at how it drapes. It just kind of is so easy to work around and play with. और सबसे अच्छी बात है that I have such beautiful colors for you to choose from. जो of course मैंने पहना है, this fabric itself is 5,400 per meter. The top, the one that I'm wearing in this style, अगर आप चाहें, you will need minimum 5 meters. The plain bottom, as you can see, now you can see 2,450 per meter. It's the plain Munga silk. That's the price. Now look at this color. It's such a happy, such a pretty color. It's a beautiful shade of yellow. Yellow up. You know, you will always see two shades in fact right now. You will see the haldi yellow and then you will see this lemony. But I love it. Now, two ways on how you're going to wear it. Yes, ये आप इस फैब्रिक के साथ as it is पहन सकते हैं. And you know, that's why I'm wearing it in fact, to just show it to you. Good long length of the dupatta, as you can see. Now look at that. What a beautiful, perfect look that never gets old. And you can wear it straight way, you can wear it sideways. You know, I will leave it up to you how you feel more comfortable. We'll also talk about, and you know, somebody's telling me about नील दुपट्टे की बात ही नहीं करते हो, कैसे ड्रेप करते? You don't tell us anymore. I said that's very true. We should tell you, of course. Season का जैसे ही सिल्क का सीजन आता है, we talk about नीव दुपट्टा draping style. More on that later. Because right now when you're wearing a dupatta like this, कोई भी style में you want to wear, it's so easy. This is a beautiful shade of red. You know, very nice, very wearable. And look at the tassels. It's perfect in every which ways. So you can wear it, as I said, on the same fabric that I'm wearing. इस fabric को मैं दिखाती हूँ. Can I just see the fabric? And you can wear the same exact style. And this dupatta 14,800 along with the tassels done. And here it is, that whole look for you. And this is the fabric that I'm wearing. Look at that. Now this is a dyeable fabric, but हमेशा से it has been very popular since I wear it in natural, that all of you have picked it up in natural. But yes, it's also a fabric जो अच्छा dye होता है, so it looks nice. This is 5,400 per meter. Look at it here, and you can also go for the dupatta, which is 14,800 along with the tassels. So that's the look. और दूसरी तरीके से क्या आप पहन सकते हैं इज दैट यू कैन गो फॉर मूंगा बूटा इन द सेम बेस कलर एंड ऑफ कोर्स जब मूंगा बूटा के साथ आप जाते हैं इट विल गिव यू वेरी nice range 3450 per meter. You can take it for your top and bottom. You can do that. Here it is. Now what you are seeing, somebody saying reasonable. आज आपको बहुत सारे sets मिलने वाले हैं and you know I'm going to tell you, I'm going to show it to you. They're in a very good range. In fact, lot of options between 10 and 12,000 full 3-piece suits वो आने वाले हैं तो मैं वो दिखाऊंगी. Now look at that, look at the floor. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है twirl करना when you're especially wearing a beautiful fabric like this. So आप इस दुपट्टे को कैसे पहनेंगे as a set? Of course, individually they're wonderful. They look great. Look at that, they look beautiful. आप इसको किसी भी कुर्ते के साथ पहन सकते हैं. So the look one is going to be contrast with the same fabric, 5 meter plus bottom. That's what you'll need, 2.5 meter bottom plus dupatta to recreate the same look. The other look is going to be मूंगा बूटा dyed in the same base color with an A-line effect. उसका जो स्टाइल रेफरेंस है वो आप साइड गाइड में हमसे मांगिए, हम आपको देंगे. So 6 meter. It won't be the same color that I'm showing you in the style guide. I'll show you the red color का रेफरेंस स्टाइलिंग के लिए, फिर हम इसको इसी कलर में डाई कर देंगे. So उसमें भी 6 meter लगता है, इसमें आपको 5 meter plus 2.5 meter लगता है. And there you have your full silhouettes. I just totally love all of this fabric. Now the last look इसमें जो है वो natural color का है पूरा, which is what I'm going to show you. You can then wear it all in natural like this. So you're in the mood to wear something really nice, really classy, go for a natural look. The tassels will be done. हमने pending रखा है, हम इसको जरूर करके देंगे. It is 14,800 with beautiful tassels that will add to the grace of the outfit. Look at that. That's your full outfit to go. I'm going to come a little closer and show it to you. That's your full look that you're going for. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to come very close to you and sit down and show you the beautiful pieces. Dupatte ka maza is in the flow. So we always want to do everything that there is कि आपको best look दिखे. So now let's start out with this one. Can we have the total for this suit set? I'm going to give you the total for this suit set. Now look at that. A 3-piece suit set. This is a premium cotton. This is a chanderi dupatta and a plain bottom. 12,650. Yes. So pura suit set. So somebody was saying ki, show us in a range. Very dressy. Very pretty. And that's your price. Look at that. It's also on the website. So आप website से भी order कर सकते हैं. Yes, that's also possible. Look at this. मैं इसको आपको open. Oh, look at that. It's so beautiful. 12,650 for a full 3-piece suit set. I think it makes for such a great deal. Look at that. Here it is. Yes. So that's how soft the fabric is. आपको एक बहुत सुंदर pretty dressy complete sets for you, which is 12,650 for a 3-piece set with the bottom. And the good thing is that मेरे पास बहुत सारे colors हैं for you to go for. This is like a brocade weave, so absolutely clean. मैं उसको एक simple way में आपको बता रही हूँ. Brocade weave is done in a particular way, but I just call it brocade so that you can understand that it is totally clean. In fact, the मूंगा जो मैंने पहना हुआ है ये भी एक brocade weave में ही किया हुआ है. And it is very clean as well, and some great options for full suits. Look at that, for full suits 12,650 with a plain bottom. अगर आप उसको थोड़ा सा dressy बनाना चाहें, then you can do a same on same, top and bottom same and dupatta, right? Like this dupatta. The second way of wearing it, and मैं हर चीज में आपको at least I'll tell you 2 ways to do it, is that you can go for a same silhouette like this, because I was just thinking very similar weave, like it's woven in a similar way, and such good fabric. Look at that. And this is the combination, so very pretty. I love the whole look right here. Super nice. Just look at that. What a lovely black combination. 12,650 with 2.5 meter plain 2.5 meter bottom and dupatta. But अगर आप चाहें तो आप इसको थोड़ा सा ड्रेसी बना सकते हैं. You can go for a 5 meter like this kurta and dupatta and bottom, or it will come at a great price even if you go for that. I think these are really good. जो लास्ट है वो इसका नेचुरल कलर है. नेचुरल कलर का 2 फायदे हैं. That you can of course wear it as it is. Look at that. That's the fabric in the natural color. You can wear it as it is, but also you can dye it in a color of your choice. I've already shown you green, black, red, and pink, and of course the natural color, which is the fifth color. But if you say you want a purple, you want a burgundy, you want any one of those colors, then it can be done. And you can see the beautiful, beautiful look right here. I think it's damn pretty, so you should go for that. Now guys, on to the next things. So 12,650 starting price for these sets. अब हम जाते हैं बहुत सारे sets, and I think their range will be from some 10,000 onwards, 10, 12, all 14 के सब नीचे, 15 के नीचे, like that kind of range. Really good prices. Let's start and let's show, and usko we will, show you like this. So look at that. That's a beautiful piece. Organza kurta, kota silk, comes with a plain bottom. You can go for this, and like 18,000, the full price suit set. Like another similar look. Isme thoda sa price zyada hai because the dupatta is different. Now really good combinations. I wear organza a lot just for a nice kurta. Sometimes I don't wear it because they're sold out, so I can't show it to you. But I'll try and find one kurta which is still available. If not, even then I will wear it and show it to you कि कैसा लगता है. They look very, very good, And now look at that. These are some wonderful, wonderful sets which are also part of it. So yeah, I mean, you're really good prices, and this is like, I'll tell you the maths 1 second about this one. This is like very wearable, and I like to do the math sometimes myself. Yeah, 10,550. You have a full 3-piece suit set. You wear it, you're done with a nice look. But anyways, now these are some pretty tussar ones, munga ones. मैं आपको सारे एक mix दिखा रही हूँ. So basically you'll have to send me a screenshot, and basically you'll have to find the price for that, because yes, now this is of course 5,800 per meter. This is our मीनाकारी fabric. But अगर आप इसको एक चंदेरी cotton bottom के साथ देखते हैं, तो your price still comes out to be really well. It's a very premium, very beautiful karwa fabric. But इसका आता है 20,550 for one dressy pretty suit. इसी का एक और color भी है मेरे पास, and that is this one. Now look at that. So this is 20,550. But what I've always loved about this particular design is just the delicacy of this Meena work with it. मुझे बहुत सुंदर लगता है. I think they look really, really good. Some very nice pieces for you to get through. And look at that. Wow, this is very pretty. Such good combination. Take the prices from us. Just go take a screenshot for now. But knowing that it's a really good range of these suit sets that you should kind of go for now. And this is absolutely lovely, guys. Look at that, our newest linen fabric with this Meena. And it's like, yeah, it's smooth like butter. It's like slipping, not slipping in a bad way. It's very smooth and very nice. It has red and pink Meena. It's incredibly pretty. You could be wearing any. अच्छा, linen के साथ क्या जाता है? Yes, that's a good question. मैंने guide में ये नहीं लिखा था because at the end of it, it was only on our popular fabrics. Linen is a very small portion of our overall collection that we do. Linen will look best on, number one, linen itself. That's the best combination. The other fabric that also looks good is chanderi cotton on it as a dupatta. The third fabric that looks good with it is kota silk. As you can see, I have a kota silk combination. So yes, with even a linen simple fabric, you have combination of 3 when you're at Neep, which is linen by linen, then linen with kota silk, linen by chanderi cotton, and yes, the fourth, in fact, I just thought of it. Is also it's also organza, because linen and organza look perfect together. अब मैं आपको दिखाऊंगी something that again not on the grid so much because it's a lesser collection, but munga with linen. Yes, that's the dupatta that I'm talking about. Linen with munga also is a great combination, and you can see that this is of course on its own. But what I think this combination was made by me, but You know, honestly, sometimes I make it and then I sometimes rethink, yeah, was it really looking good? I find that this dupatta is too heavy for that fabric. If I were you, I would wear this beautiful dupatta with the look that I'm wearing right away, which is this very nice gold, because the zari goes well. So, you know, it's very nice together. This is a linen dupatta, 18,800. This unusual combination of cream and beige for the natural color with grey. I think it looks damn good. I would go for this combination any day over the other one. But yes, with that, with this fabric in itself, agar aap chahein, to we can do a nice chanderi. In fact, this is a part of our style guide. So if you don't have the style guide, this is a nice flowy fabric. अब इसके साथ ऐसा ही एक फैब्रिक है मेरे पास, ये इसका एक कॉम्बिनेशन है. And you can see it right here. Look at that. That's a nice, good fabric. Beautiful Munga silk with this chanderi, and you can do a cotton bottom if you want to bring the price down, or if you can keep it like, you know, Munga silk bottom. Aisa ek aur combination. Look at that. How pretty, guys. It looks very, very nice. You know, look at that. मैं इसको दिखाऊंगी. And this is 18,550. 18,050 for a full set with a chanderi cotton bottom. This beautiful fabric. Look at that. How can you see how it's moving? That's how pretty it is. This is Munga silk fabric. This is the dupatta. The bottom will be plain. ऐसा ये मैं next ये वाला भी, you know, I'm feeling कि मुझे खोल के दिखाना चाहिए आपको, because I think it's so very pretty. And it's going to be a short live. We're going to do this and then we did. That's all that we have. It's a छोटा सा live जहाँ एक सेंट्रल थीम है ऑफ कोर्स मूंगा की, क्योंकि हमने मूंगा दुपट्टा, मूंगा फैब्रिक्स combination like these we have shown you. और इसके बाद we have of course done some miscellaneous suits. Premium cotton new collection launched, and look at that. That's your combination again. और इसी के मैं दूसरे आपको सुंदर सुंदर कलर्स दिखा रही हूँ. Look at that. Really nice. Very, very wearable. That's one main part of this fabric. It's so pretty to wear on its own. You want to do a A-line cord, you can go ahead, do it. You want to do a kurta which is slightly flowy in a rose shape. If you don't know what the rose shape is, take the style guide and take it, and you will see that they all look so good. Isi ke saath, I'll show you one dupatta that I have right now. And look at that. This with this, probably we can even do a yellow, but yeah, it's a nice combination. बहुत सारे options हैं जो बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं, and we can do it. Let's do this one. Now this is a fabric, so थोड़ा सा अलग से theme है, but I just think it looks so good in this color. Look at that. So yeah, you can even wear, you know, sometimes ये आता है, can you wear this as a dupatta? If you're wearing this, you can wear this as a dupatta, get the tassels on. But as such, it's a fabric which is chanderi base, and I'm going to open this and show it to you now. And it's got this full embroidery, but look at this. Because of the embroidery and the beautiful flow has been, you know, created because of that. There is weaving, there's embroidery. I think it would look wonderful as a cord, top and bottom. And अगर सूट आप बना रहे हैं तो क्योंकि इतनी सुंदर डिजाइन है all over, what you really want is just something very light. So look at that. I think it's light, it's nice, and yes, very pretty on its own. Again, organza dupatta in the 12,800 with the scallops, with the detailing would also look very nice in red with it. But like a lighter look है तो ये this is very, very good. The last piece that I have today, मैंने आपको आज linen दिखाया. Now I'm going to show you chanderi. Yes, but इसमें बस मीना, and this is the same design. We've done two fabrics simultaneously with it. Now the only difference is इसमें जो पूरा मीना है वो पूरा red है, but look at that. Look at the, you know, sheen in the natural thread of the fabric. It's right there. It's very pretty. This token of red which is there on the fabric makes it look stunning. That's why I'm going to do a combination which of course complements that, which is going to be this. So you can do this very pretty look. You can do a lighter chanderi cotton 3200 wire look. You can do a kota silk look. But मुझे बहुत सुंदर लगता है. This is a very nice piece on its own. I'm just going to wear this. Like you can imagine, I'm wearing a really premium look right here in this Munga silk fabric. I've shown you the fabric, and you can see agar aapko bahut, you don't want to kind of go for a heavy dupatta, you can even go for a lighter chanderi woven dupatta like this, and you can wear it nicely. It's very soft, it drapes easily, and you can see whole look, the red, white, the off-white, the natural Munga color, bahut sundar, and it's a complete look in itself. This dupatta of course 5,000. So yes, it's a really good deal. You can get it in any color that you wish. So thank you guys. Come on WhatsApp, take a screenshot, come there, place your order. Lovely pieces for you to kind of have in your wardrobe. Very, very wearable this season and all. See you. Bye.